Alright, another example of the difference quotient. So set this up for f of x plus h. So I'm going to put in x plus h. And then negative f of x is with my parentheses. So now I'm going to insert this into the function up here, so I'm going to get x plus h to the third minus, go ahead and distribute that one. Let me do it in 2 steps. Minus this. All over h. Okay. So now I need to FOIL this thing out. There's 3 of them. So it's really going to be like this. So we already FOILed this one together in the last question. So I know that if I just do 2 of these, it's going to equal this. Okay. So now I'm going to distribute this one into this one. So an x is going to be distributed to all 3 of those. So see if I can kind of squeeze this in here. So that's going to be x to the third plus 2x squared h plus x h squared. Now I'll distribute an h to all of those, plus x squared h plus 2x h squared plus h to the third. Okay. Then combine like terms, so x to the third, and here's an x squared and an x squared h, so that's 3 x squared h's, just cross those off, and then here's an x and an h squared, so that's plus 3x h squared, and then plus h to the third. Okay, so that's what this thing turns into. So that's going to be x to the third plus 3x squared h plus 3x h squared plus h to the third. And then I'll distribute this 2. Distribute that negative. Okay. Then see if anything combines as a like term. So 3x squared, 3x squared. Those add up to 0. Negative 2x and a positive 2x add up to 0. Okay. So then I'm left with 3x squared h plus 3x h squared plus h to the third plus a 2h. Okay, all over h. Okay, and this is where a lot of people get stuck. Now you have to take a GCF out, an h out of all of those terms. So it's going to be h all over 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared plus 2 all over h. And the h's cross off, and now I know that I'm done because I got rid of that h in the bottom.